In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Notebooklm to create podcasts with scripts. First, open your web browser and go to the Notebooklm website. This is where you will build a notebook, add your reference material, and then generate a podcast-style audio overview based on those sources. It works best when your sources are clear and relevant to the same topic, so take a moment to gather what you want to use before you begin. Once you are on the Notebooklm dashboard, click the button that says Create New. This creates a new notebook workspace. Think of this notebook as a container where you load your materials and then ask Notebooklm to summarize or transform them into audio. Next, upload your sources. In the pop-up window, select the content you want Notebooklm to use. You can add PDFs, paste in YouTube links, or choose files from your drive. After you upload, these items will populate the source panel on the left side. This is important because Notebooklm will only generate the podcast from what you have provided here. A helpful tip is to make sure your sources match your goal. If you want a podcast focused on one topic, avoid mixing unrelated documents, since that can make the audio feel scattered. After your sources are loaded, find the Audio Overview button and click it. Notebooklm will automatically start generating an audio podcast based on your materials. If you want to guide the output more carefully before you generate, use the optional customization tools. Click the pencil icon to open the instructions area. Here, you can tell it what to emphasize, such as a specific theme or section. You can also choose the language, set the length to short, default, or long, and pick a format like deep dive or critique. When you are done, click Generate inside that pencil menu to apply your preferences. Now you will wait while the audio is created. The generation time can vary depending on how many sources you added and how long they are, so be patient and let it finish. When it is ready, you can listen to the audio directly in Notebooklm. You also have the option to download it as an MP3 file or share it using a public link, which is useful if you want others to access the podcast easily. That covers everything you need to know.